Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. A quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle. The following are the given data. AB is 22.04 meters, BC 34.56 meters, CD 23.56 meters, and AC 39.94 meters. Find length of AD, which is side D, then BD, the other diagonal D sub 2, the area of the quadrilateral. So to help visualize the situation, let's have the figure. So this quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral because it is inscribed in a circle. AB is A 22.04, BC is side B 34.56 meters, CD is side C 23.56 meters, and AD, which is diagonal 1, equal to 39.94 meters, and we will call BD as diagonal 2, which is unknown. So to solve for to, an, to answer this problem, we consider triangle ABC, apply cosine law to solve for angle B. Then after knowing angle B, we consider triangle ACD. The opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is the supplement of angle B. So angle D is 180 degrees minus angle B. Then apply cosine law again in triangle ACD with AD, the fourth side, as the unknown. Then from there, we can solve for D, which is AD. Then to solve for BD, let's apply Ptolemy's theorem, which states that the product of the diagonals is equal to the sum of the product of opposite sides, since all sides have been found, or all sides, the fourth side D has been found. So we will use that, although we can solve D in any other approach applying the principles of cyclic quadrilateral. So to help shorten the solution, I plan to solve that using the Ptolemy's theorem. Then finally, the area of the quadrilateral. The area of the quadrilateral is area of triangle ABC, which is just one half of the product of adjacent sides A and B sine of angle B, plus area of ACD, which is one half the product of adjacent sides C and D times sine angle D. Since B and D are supplementary, the sine of angle B is equal to sine of angle D. So the formula therefore for area of cyclic quadrilateral, one formula is 1/2 quantity AB plus CD times sine of angle B. And that formula was established in the preceding Vitamath problems on cyclic quadrilateral. So for your part, you will be asked to compute for the area of this cyclic quadrilateral in 4 other methods. Now, if you cannot recall the other formulas of a cyclic quadrilateral, then you have to review the preceding Vitamath problems beginning with Vitamath 38 to Vitamath 41, so that you can have an idea on the area of cyclic quadrilateral by 4 other methods. So for part A, apply cosine law in triangle ABC. So we have 39.94 square equals 22.04 square plus 34.56 square minus 2 times 22.04, 34.56 cosine of angle B. So using your calculator, solving for angle B is equal to 86.803 degrees. So by principle, angle D is 180 degrees minus angle B. So 180 degrees minus 86.803 degrees, angle D is equal to 93.197 degrees. Then in triangle ACD, we apply cosine law again with D as the unknown, and the equation will be a quadratic equation. Then we apply quadratic formula, or we just make use of your calculator, which is capable of solving the roots of a quadratic equation. So in triangle ACD, diagonal 1, 39.94 square is equal to 23.56 square plus D square minus 2 times 23.56 times D cosine of 93.197 degrees. Simplifying, D square plus 2.6278D minus 1040.13 equals 0. Then using your calculator, solving for D, there are two roots. The other root is negative, so we drop the negative value. We only consider the positive value, and D is equal to 30.96 meters. Therefore, that is side AD, and AD is equal to D equals 30.96 meters. For part B, let's apply Ptolemy's theorem. The product of the diagonals, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, is equal to the sum of the product of opposite sides, AC plus BD. So diagonal 1 is 39.94 times diagonal 2, D sub 2, equals 22.04 times 23.56 plus 34.56B times D 30.96. Solving for diagonal 2, which is equal to side BD here, and it is equal to 39.79 meters. Finally, the area of cyclic quadrilateral is 1/2 quantity AB plus CD times sine of angle B. So substitute values. Area of cyclic quadrilateral is 1/2 of A, 22.04 times 34.56 plus 23.56 times 30.96 times sine of B, which is 86.803 degrees. So take note that if you replace B by 93.197 degrees, the answer is the same. And the area of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 744.4 square meters when rounded off to 4 significant figures. So as mentioned earlier, for your part, so that you can participate, compute the area or find the area of this same cyclic quadrilateral in 4 other methods. So you may use the formula, but you have to solve for the radius of the circumscribing circle first. Then you compute angle A, because diagonal 2 has been found. Then you may use area equals 1/2 of quantity AD plus BC sine of angle A. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you will find the area into 4 other ways.